Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a big one. We have some real updates, and I'm really excited to share these with you. It's something I've been thinking about doing for a long time. It's something that I feel like has been requested for a long time, and today is the big day. So thank you for joining me here. We are going to start with one of the big fun ones. The first being that for years I have had requests on how you can get these paintings, and the answer has always been that you can't. I would typically keep the paintings that I did for the lessons because I like to use them as references for other paintings. Sometimes I'll go back to them, I'll do little touch-ups, I'll add things to try colors for new paintings. So I really liked keeping all of these. However, I think it's finally time to start letting some go. So there's going to be a new tier over on Patreon where you can sign up to get one of these each month. I will sign them all and we will ship them out, make sure that they are nice and secure, nice and safe, and we'll find some new homes for all of these lovely paintings. But with that, that is number one. We are going to circle back to that, but we're also going to introduce some additional series, one of which is going to be up over on Patreon, and I'll run you through what we're doing on Patreon because there is going to be some big updates, which again, very excited about. So with that, I'm going to clean up this space just a little bit. That way we can talk and I can kind of get in here with you. But Patreon. At the base tier, it's always been great because it's something that allows me to offer you an ad-free version of the tutorials that you watch here. It's a place where you've been able to download the traceables, so the sketches to help you with the drawing process. A little bit earlier, I think this year, I introduced a new video series up there where I draw in real time the traceable, so you can draw it along with me. We get to talk about why we're making the decisions that we are with composition, and that was one of the really big additions that I loved to Patreon this year for those of you who, again, really love painting but kind of struggle with that drawing process. But in addition to trying to make the lessons easier through posting the traceables and the drawing videos, I'm also now going to be posting the high resolution JPEGs to the images at front-facing view, so you can download that and look at it as you go through the painting process. I'm also posting images of all of the materials, the paints that I'm using. That way you get to see the brands and you don't have to guess, because typically I find even if a color says it's green gold, it's not the same from brand to brand, and I do use a couple of different brands that I have real preference for. But between the bonus videos, the traceables, I think there's a lot at that tier that will really help you with your painting journey, though that is just the start. We're also revamping the next tier as well. Now, the Alpine tier is an exciting one because it comes with additional bonus videos and a brand new series where we are going to take the regular lessons that we do, and I'm going to break down the colors that we choose and how we go about doing that before we start the painting. That way, when you're working on your paintings, you know how to select your colors. And with this, we are going to take a reference photo. We're going to bring it into Photoshop. I'll use the eyedropper tool. We'll look at the individual colors that are actually in the reference photo, and then I'll talk about which pigments we're going to use to represent those colors and why we're choosing them. Because realistically, when you go into a painting, you could work with a cerulean blue or an ultramarine blue. You could use a phthalo blue, but selecting that right blue is going to aid you and your painting. So we talk about how you select the correct blue for that reference photo. But with that, another thing we're doing is bonus videos, bonus lessons. Here's something we've been working on up over on Patreon as an exclusive series as of late. In episode 1, we spent about an hour and a half working on the sky. Episode 2, an hour and a half on the mountain. Episode 3, which I posted yesterday, we worked on the trees and the reflection. That took about 2.5 hours. Cumulatively, that painting has taken now around 5 hours, and it's probably going to take another 5. So it's something that doesn't really work on YouTube because it just takes too long, and I think it's for the really dedicated learners. So if that's you, that's a great thing for you to endeavor in. I have a lot of series like this up over on there, and we actually have hundreds of bonus lessons, but one of them that I'm really proud of is on this 24 by 36 inch canvas. And again, this is probably 8 or 9 different episodes, quite a large project. And there are quite a few 24 by 36 inch ones like that, but I'm also going to be doing regular sized bonus lessons too. If you're interested in doing animals, there are a couple ones with animals, there are a couple ones that are a bit more abstract with the city. So there are landscapes, there are other fun things, but if you'd like bonus episodes, then I'd recommend checking that out. Another thing I'm bringing back is the exclusive Facebook group, and I really liked that because it gave me an opportunity to interact with you guys, to see your artwork, to have those back and forths, those communications. I've been off of social media in that way for quite some time, but I'm looking to get back into it. So if you're looking for a creative community to share your work and for me to see it as well, then that's a big benefit of the tier. But that's the Alpine tier. Now let me tell you about the next one. You get everything from all of the previous tiers. So you get the hundreds of bonus videos, the sketching videos, the color testing videos. You get all of that, but in addition, you also get your name in the credits of every video in a silver font as a way of immortalizing the support that you have given to the channel on the videos on the channel. Additionally, you can get all 5 of my ebooks at this tier, and there you get Acrylics for Beginners. It is essentially the essentials, everything you need to know about acrylic painting before you jump into your first acrylic painting. In there we talk about what brushes to use, how to work with water, how to wrap light around subjects, make things three-dimensional. We talk about glazing, different color schemes and palettes. So it really is the fundamentals. If you are getting into acrylic painting, I really recommend getting that, reading through it. It will set you up to follow along with all the lessons that we do. But in addition to that, you also get all of the ebooks full of traceables for the uninspired days. We have traceables for flowers, we have traceables for landscapes. There are so many different ideas and prompts for sketches in there. The next tier is called Mighty Oak, and there you can be a producer of the show. You get your name in gold text big at the end of each video, again, to immortalize the support that you're given to the channel. And it's a way for me to say thank you to you for just being so wonderful and making all of this happen. That said, there is another tier. It is a new tier, and it is the one that we teased at the start of this video, and that is where you can get these sent to you each and every month. Now, this is something that I've wanted to do for quite some time, but admittedly, it's been hard for me to let go of these paintings because they bring me back to a time and a place. They're special, but in addition to that, I do feel like they really help me with new paintings and new tutorials, because I'll go back to these and I'll look at an area and I'll ask myself, how did I do that? How did that look? I'll compare different color palettes from different paintings, and I will use them to make the new paintings better. But we are at the point where I do think we find some new homes, and I would love for you to be that home for them. I've thought about selling them in the past, and I've thought about different ways of doing that, but I want them to go to the people who support this channel, who make this channel what it is. I want these to go to people who will really appreciate them and will use them to maybe help their own paintings, and I'd love for them to go to good homes, and I feel like there's no better home than those of the patrons. So this is going to be on the new tier, and each month I'll post a picture with a bunch of these, and then you can note on a first come first serve basis who would like each of them. You can collect them, you can get different ones that go together, you can get them for different seasons, but I think it's time to find wonderful new homes for these, and I would love for your home to be a part of that. So there is a new tier where you can get these sent to you monthly, but yeah, if you've ever wanted the paintings, this is the tier for that, and it's something I'm very proud of. So with that, there's one more. I'll keep it a secret. You can go and check it out up over on Patreon as well. But those are the tiers. So big changes, new videos. For the first time ever, we're going to be doing the color matching videos up over on Patreon. We're still going to be doing the traceable sketching videos. We'll be doing the bonus videos. We're getting back on Facebook, and you again have an opportunity to get these for yourself. So a lot of fun things happening. There's a link to Patreon in the description. And I'd also just like to say here, big thank you from me to you for being here, for supporting the channel, for watching along. Even if you are somebody who hasn't subscribed to Patreon yet, thank you for being a part of the community, for considering it, for looking into it. I love this medium. I love working on these. I love that we can do it together. I hope that you enjoy all of the content. I hope you feel like you're learning. I hope you feel like you can relax with the lessons. I hope that they just bring joy to your life, and I will continue to make the best lessons I can, and I really appreciate this community. Thank you for being here. I will see you soon with a brand new painting lesson. Again, I did post a brand new painting lesson yesterday up over on Patreon, so you can go and check that out. But there will be plenty more very soon to come. So with that, link in the description. I will see you soon. And above all, as always, stay creative.